Hindu Makkal Kachi has taken umbrage to Kamal Haasan and him being part of Bigg Boss Season 1. Let's try and get the details. There has been a mixed response of Kamal Haasan being part of Bigg Boss in the first place and this entire season of this franchise, which has become famous the world over in its Tamil version. Vijay Kristadas now joins us with more. What is the Hindu Makkal Kachi worried about now?
Well, Anand, we've been told that the Hindu Makkal Kachi have already filed a complaint with the Chennai Police Commissioner asking for the arrest of Kamal Haasan, who is the host, and also the 15 participants who are taking part in Bigg Boss Season 1 over here in Tamil Nadu. Of course, now reduced to 14 contestants. They are claiming that, they are, tarnishing Tamil Nadu and also its reputation. Not just that, the main contention is that it's kind of deteriorating the Tamil culture. It is mocking Tamil culture, and it is not Tamil culture to have such a show where you have such a big star like Kamal Haasan and also 15 participants. This is not the first time they're targeting Kamal Haasan. Kamal Haasan has been targeted by the Hindu Makkal Kachi for a long time now. Whether it is his release of the movie, it's happened every time Kamal Haasan's release is there for a movie. There's the Hindu Makkal Kachi springing up and trying to get their share of popularity as well. You're talking about lyrics. Yes, they had no objection over the infamous beep song that was doing the round. They had no objection of the kind of misogyny that is going around in Tamil Nadu. They don't talk when there are women who have been beaten up by the police in Coimbatore. There are so many issues that they can bring it up, but obviously, Anand, this is not going to happen. And yeah, like you said, this is their way of trying to show that even they are a relevant party. Their way of trying to say that they are also relevant. They are trying to make a noise. But yes, Anand, it's the past 2 weeks from the time Bigg Boss has released over here in Tamil Nadu, it's got a huge traction, not just social media. Whether they are mocking it, whether they're being ridiculed or not, Bigg Boss has got a lot of popularity. And yes, as far as the ratings is concerned, they are going up the charts. There are a lot of people talking about it. There are a lot of people who have been glued to the television. Bigg Boss has created a lot of popularity.